Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we are at a fairly strong level, and that is this area right here at 35,513 is previous highs as well. If you come back to weekly, you'll see right at the top there, tails. Does look like a bit of consolidation, and weekly break above there is going to be telling. So that's kind of the level we need to clear. We have closed this gap. It was open at the top here. Oscillators are grouped to the upside. That is a bit of a warning. We have crossed over and we are pointing up. So moving averages are pointing up quite strongly. I am a buyer. I'm just looking for structure. And at the moment, we are sort of blowing through every little bit of structure that you can think of. So this swing high here from early in the week is definitely something we need to pay attention to. And let's just see if there's any more on the lower time frames. Nothing really different on the 3 hour. Oscillators are grouped to the upside, warning us that we are at a level. We know we're at a level. We're close to all-time highs. So I would expect a little bit of consolidation here at least before an attempt to break to the upside. So if we look at the hour, there is one more level that it comes into play, and that's around here. We have already tested it. That's 35,440. This level to the downside is a clear support level. That's 35,339. And I'd actually just bring it down to the next two tails. So that's 35,322 area. That would be a fairly decent opportunity to get long. Now, bear in mind what I said. You've got this massive 35,500 area, or 35,513 area that is sort of the previous highs, or an area of the previous highs, not the exact previous high. And then you have the structure just below it at 35,440. So this 35,500 area is what you really need to break. Now, the problem is you're probably going to find a bit of a tight consolidation here. So if I just add in this tail here, that's 35,450. And if you look at that tail, that's going to be 35,469. So you need a clear break of 35,500. Basically, we need a clear break of that area and support. Then you should see extended gains coming in. So the game that we need to play with this is quite simple. You're going to need to be a little bit patient, because you're going to find the bulls trying to break through, and the bears are going to try to defend this. So they already know that there's a lot of people that are taking profit up here. So as soon as they know that, they're going to have their shorts in there as well. And your stops are going to be, for example, 35.30, 35.50 area. So there'll be a whole lot of stops sitting up here for people anticipating shorts. And then alternatively, you're going to have a whole lot of limit orders around here for take profits. So there's going to be quite a bit of price action in this area. So in other words, what I'm expecting is a bit of a consolidation until some noise drives us higher, which would probably be some kind of results or earnings coming through today. And that's pretty much what we're looking for. So I'm paying attention to 35,440 and 35,469 as a start. And then ultimately this 35,500 or 35,513 area, I want to see a clear break above that and a pullback to retest. And that would get me long. So a break up there would get me long. A pullback on structure would also get me long. So pay attention to this. And this little measured move here is also, there's a cup and handle here. So there's the cup, there's the handle. So that measured move is also still in play, which takes you to 35,600. Okay, anyway, that's kind of me at the moment. Definitely paying attention to this and the S&P. We'll be leaving the DAX alone today, but the Dow and the S&P definitely looking, depending which one goes first, is where I'll place my trade. But both of them are consolidating at the moment, and I have a feeling it's a consolidation break to the upside. That's it for me this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.